figure out what our date is today. So yesterday was Monday, December the 7th. So what do you think today will be? After 7 comes 8. Today is Tuesday, December the 8th. And there's our number 8 right there. Okay? 8 looks like 2 circles stacked on top of each other. It's almost like a snowman with only 2 body parts. So you see that? If it had a head on top, it'd look kind of like a snowman, wouldn't it? Alright, let's see how many days we've been in school. So we're going to add another one to our ones column. I'm going to add pink today. Y'all know pink is my favorite. Here it is. It's hard to see against my hand though sometimes, isn't it? Okay. Now I'm going to just look real quick at my ones and I can estimate it's not more than 10, right? It's not going to be 10 or more. That's by looking at them, I know that. So I'm not going to check that. I'm just going to go ahead and count how many days we've been in school. Okay. What do I count these by, 1s or 10s? What does that look like to you? It's 10, right? We did this. We're the ones who grouped them together. We know that these are 10s and we know how to count by 10s. So we're going to count these by 10s and then keep counting these by 1s, and that saves us a lot of time. Can you imagine if we had to count up to these numbers every single morning? Your morning meeting would be so long. Oh my gosh. All right, here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. We've been in school for 63 days. That's awesome. All right, now let's build the number 63. We still have 62 up from yesterday, and we need to build 63. To do that, I'm going to count how many groups of 10 I have to put in my tens place. I'm not going to count how many tens because we know this is 60, right? I want to count how many groups, how many sets of 10 I have. Okay, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 little groups or sets or bundles of 10, right? So 6 needs to go in my tens place. And look at that. We still have it in there from yesterday. All right, now let's figure out how many we need in our ones place. Estimate how many you think this is going to be on your fingers. Hold them up. And now let's figure it out. 1, 2, 3. 3. All right. Here is that a 3? No, we need to change it to a 3. And now we have 63. All right. 63 days of school. Let's flip it over on our hundreds chart. This is where we are, way down here. Imagine the number 63 in your brain. All right, open your eyes. Look at that. 63. Read it with me. 63. Read it again. 63. Good job. Today, I want to read across our 30s line. I want to read all of our 30 numbers. And to do that, I'm going to look for the number line that all starts with 3. Because 30 numbers start with 3. All right, so I'm going to look down. There it is, right there. All right, now read with me. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. What comes next? 40 comes after 39. All right. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper, round and worth 1 cent. All right, now let's look at this one. Our nickel. Do you remember that rhyme? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents. I know that. All right, good job, guys. We're going to get those down before the end of the year. Okay, time to describe shapes. Now, normally I hold it behind my back, right? That's what I did yesterday. Today, I'm going to hold it up, and I'm going to ask you some questions about my shape, okay? So I want you really listening. Okay, what shape is this? Triangle. This is a triangle. Now I'm going to ask you another question. Okay, are you listening? How many vertices or corners does a triangle have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Did you say 3? All right, now how many sides does my triangle have? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 3 corners are 3 vertices. That's one way you can describe or talk about shapes. Last thing. Flat or solid? It's flat like a pancake, isn't it? Pretend like you're holding a triangle at home. What does it look like? Flat like a pancake. All right, guys. Let's do our dot cards. You ready? How many? 8, 2, 3, 1, 6, 10, 7, 9, 5, 0, 4. Great job, guys. All right, number of the day. Let me pull it up. Here we go. What number is this? 14. 14. Okay, it's one of those tricky teen numbers that start with a 1. All right, now when I look at 14, it's telling me that I should have one set of 10. And how many ones left over? 4. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's count and make sure that it's 14. How do I count these? By tens, just like I count these little groups of straws that we group up by tens. So I'm going to start by counting by tens and then keep counting by ones. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is our number of the day. Let's go do it.